to record. Okay, so this is our third sample problems. Let's read. The motorcyclist travels along the curve at a constant speed. Okay, so that's the first given, constant speed of 30 feet per second. Another thing that we can derive from this given is that automatic acceleration is zero because constant speed. So continue. Determine his acceleration when he is located at point A, meaning at that time it is not as shown on the figure. Neglect the size of the motorcycle, meaning let's assume that it is the point and rider for the calculation. So the given is constant speed, 30 feet per second, automatic acceleration is zero. Another given is on the graph. We have the path, which is y is equals to 500 over x. And we have the x location, the ordinate, which is 100 feet. 1.53. 1.53. Okay, so let's draw an ideal person. Something like this. Yeah. Let's draw it as particle and all. So this is 100 feet, and this function is y 500 over x. This is x, this is y, and the speed is 30 feet per second. Okay, what's the question? Acceleration, the acceleration. All right. So required is the acceleration. Let's go to the solution. The given is the function. We can utilize this one to solve for the radius of curvature. Once we have the radius of curvature, we can solve the normal acceleration by v and radius. So we can have the n. AP is, what is AP? Ambal mo lang to. 0. A constant speed. Therefore, AP is 0. Okay, so that's the path towards the solution. We need to solve for the radius of curvature first. The formula for radius of curvature is 1 plus y prime raised to 2 raised to 3 squared over y double prime. First, we need to solve for the y prime. Y is 500, x negative. So y prime is negative 500, x negative 2. Y double prime is 1000, x negative 3. So what is the value of y prime and y double prime at x equals 100? Y prime 100 is equals to maybe 500 divide 100 squared. Negative 0.05. Negative 0.05. What about the y prime at 100? 1000 divided by to the cube. 0.00. So we can solve now for the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature is equals to 1 plus y prime, which is negative 0.05 squared, raised to 3 divided by 0.001. reduce ko just effect na to ang iyang ano gitsuguran ta to almost flat. Therefore, ang reduce pababaw is large. So instead of 5 squared plus 1 raised to 3 halves times 1000 3 and 75. Is this feet? Yeah, it's feet. Doesn't feet. So we have now, this is point A now? Yes, point A. So the acceleration at point A is equals to b a squared divided by a, which is equals to 30 feet per second squared divided by 1003.75 feet. So that means feet per second squared, which is 30 squared divided by this is 0.8897 feet per second squared. Is this correct? Let's see kung correct ang derivation. 500 over x, or that is equal to 500 x negative 800 x negative 2, 500 times 2, 1000 plus 3 minus 183. So 100 500 divided by 102 give 0.05. 1000 divided by 100 raised to 3 is 0.001 or 1000. 1 plus 0.05 squared raised to 3 times. It's 3 halves, right? Not 2/3. 3 halves. Yep, 3 halves. If there is no problem, then 30 squared divided by 0.897 feet per second. So that's the normal. Gamay normal kay taas ang radius dito. So hindi mo masyado mapa-curve or something like that. Do we have tangential? No. Therefore, this is also the resultant. Next na lang is, let's identify the angle. This is just magnitude. Unlike the previous problem, we cannot identify the angle, the orientation of the vector. In this case, yeah, we can identify it. But then there's no stopping you from knowing what is the angle. Tangential, normal, tangent angle is equals to y prime, which is the slope. Y prime is equals to slope is equals to tangent theta. Algebra equation, algebra formula, right? If you have the slope at that point on the curve, which is slope is rise over run, and rise over run is tangent theta, then that's the direction of the vector at that point. We need to find a slope at this point, which is 100. So, ano siya? Solve na siya. Okay. What is the slope? Negative 0.05. That's the slope. Negative yung tama siya. Meaning na pa, pero gamay lang. That is rise over run. So arctangent that is the angle. So angle is the arc of the y prime, which is arc of 80.05, which is equivalent to 5, 10, absolute na lang, 2.86. 2.86 degrees. So that's 2.86. Perpendicular to that is our normal axis. Pero ingatan yung normal oscillation is ari dito yan. Ingatan yung AM. So ingatan niya. Angle. Therefore, to completely answer the question by adding the direction, the normal acceleration of point A, or just add na lang A, normal. Let's just add the acceleration of point B is 0.897 feet per second squared. And then let's add angle. I don't know if there is convention na acute less than 45 or more than 45 or the angle is dapat diri kita lumahatag lang. Ba't ako convention na nari kita angle nga ito hindi ako pwede ba na siguro. But in this case, ari lang yata ito angle lang. Just minus siya by 9. 87.2. Yes. Sira? Wala. Alam mo kay Gilbert, drawer, dumiyara. If you choose this conventional angle lies along its horizontal, hindi kayo along sa vertical. Okay na siya. Pero mas namin siguro na. Nasa dali. Dapat natin check itong yung mga direction. It doesn't matter mo ito ang convention. Pero muna na ako naging gamit niya. I think that's easy to orient yourself. So that's it. That's the explanation of the motorcyclist at that point. Oh, sir. Yeah, normal acceleration towards the center. Dito din dapat siguro. Hindi dapat itong iyan. Mari dapat ito. It's 7.30. Yun, that's the correct answer. Dito mo sa baba. Scientifically. Okay, so let's oops, my chat. So in the 7.14, let's check. Grabe naman. You mean the angle? Okay na siya. It's a small difference. Yeah, 87.14, correct. It's 7.137. Okay. So, okay na. Importante hindi 89.12. Sige. That's with my accuracy and value.